To configure your IP Office, install the IP Office Manager application from the CD provided with your system, or download the application from the link provided in the installation guide. Locate the email with the subject line IP Office Quick Install and open the attached CFG file using the IP Office Manager application. In the IP Office Manager application main menu, select File, then Offline, and then select Send Config. When prompted for administrator username and password, use Administrator with a capital A for both username and password and click OK. In the next window, select Immediate and click OK again. This completes your basic configuration.